Anthony Tutorials.
Today we'll demonstrate how to protect your admin page with the WPS Hide Login plugin. If you have WordPress at least once, you know exactly how to access the admin login of any WordPress website. You just add /wp-admin/ at the end of the URL and there you go. Bots and hackers also know this of course, so we recommend changing the WP-admin URL to something else, something that only you know. The WPS Hide Login plugin allows you to change the location of your WP login without rewriting any files. Instead, the plugin simply intercepts the page requests and sends you to the location of your choosing. If you are other plugins that also utilize this login like WordPress, Jetpack, etc., you don't need to worry, this plugin is compatible. Click on Plugins. Search for WPS Hide Login in the available search box. Click on the Install Now button. Then click Setting General option. There are options here: Login URL and Redirection URL. The login URL is what you must type into your web browser to find the login area. Change the login URL of your website. Redirection URL by default, this will send anyone to a 404 error screen. That's cool. Now at last pick on the Save Changes button. Congrats on setting up the WPS Hide Login plugin to protect your login area. You can change the login URL at any time, just make sure to remember what it is. Thanks. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new videos. Have a great day.